Hey guys, and welcome back to this relaxing Monday motivation clean with me and week in my life to help you feel motivated and inspired to start that week off right. Today I have for you some hallway cleaning motivation, including an update and plans for our hallway makeover, as well as a trip to the antique shop to share with you guys some recommendations for things to look out for when thrifting. I'm also sharing with you guys a few things I am doing to embrace the winter months and just romanticize these everyday little moments. So give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed for a great week ahead. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I wanted to give you guys an update already on our hallway. So I'm also going to be doing a gallery wall. I love a good gallery wall, and I've been collecting frames from the charity shop. So this is some of them I've got so far. They're so cheap. I did get a couple from Dunelm as well, just because I like the shape of them, but I really like how I've got all different shapes. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray paint them this black gloss, just so they all look uniform. I do actually really like these walnut ones and the gold one. However, I did buy them just for this project, and I have some other beautiful like cherry walnut frames that I have on our bar cart gallery wall. This one I'm going to keep this black and gold because I really like it, and this one I think I may just mask off the gold and then spray this black and have the gold accent because I really like that. Let me show you actually where it's going to be. So this is on the landing, I guess, like the second set of stairs. There's actually a lot going on this landing because I have all of the wood for the dressing room, but this is the wall. It's actually hard to show you, but there is the upstairs landing, and then you have the staircase, and this is the wall. It's huge. So I would like to cover this in a beautiful gallery wall, and I think I'm going to obviously get rid of all of this and put a beautiful trim. And also, while we're on the topic of the hallway makeover, this carpet is all gonna go, and we're going to get a beautiful runner going all the way up. On the entry floor hallway, we're going to have a parquet, like a walnut coloured flooring. So this will all come up. And also, guys, I did want to show you, because I was sharing with you the hook bit. The brackets still haven't come, but they should come soon. But I did pick up the shelf that I was on about. It's from B&Q. Let me show you guys if you're interested in the size. It's just a plain pine shelf, and then as I mentioned, I am going to be painting this, but I will need to prime this shelf. But this is the colour we pretty much think we're going to paint it.